I was wondering though, as the sluice came off where the animals' waste was coming onto this sluice or channel, whatever you want to call it, to go outside. I was waiting to find something that took it outside the building, and I think I just did. You see the square there, and sure you can, just there. That clearly, and it's now filled up with this loose soil, which I'm going to remove very carefully with a small shovel, just to see what's down there. And obviously, then you see that went down there under the wall and outside the building. Very clever, but that confirms clearly the original find that this was for animal waste.